for question 1, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make a table of all the different starting points and how long it will take to get to the middle. So what you first want to do is you want to go and make a table. Okay, so we'll start at 1, and you want to find all the diagonal, because every time it hits a corner, it goes 90 degrees. So for this one, we go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for number 1, it'd be 6. And for number 2, you go.
There you go.
And so for number 2, it would be over 1, 2, and since it hit the wall, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for number 2, it would be 12. And then for number 3, I won't erase it this time. Oh, okay, yeah, that works. So for number 3, you go over 1, 2, 3. So that would just be 3. And then for number 4, you go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then for number 4, it would be 9. And then for number 5, go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for number 5, it would be 5. And then for number 6, the last one, you would start here and go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so for number 6 it'd be 10, and Jack will answer this.
Okay, so we know that each square is a 2 by 2, so let's go. Let's just do that. We know that we're trying to get a diagonal. This is going to be a right triangle, and so it'll be 2, 2, and so since it's a right triangle, we can do a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and a is going to be 2, so it's going to be 4, and then b is also going to be 2, so it's also going to be 4, equals c squared. So c squared is going to be 8, so that means c is 2 root 2. Okay, and so now that it's 2 root 2, we can we know that it says what is the length of the longest possible path, so it's going to be 12 times 2 root 2, and so it's going to be 24 root 2, or is it 33.9? Yeah, or 33.9. Yeah. So John's gonna do the second one. Let's go back.
Reset the page. He reset the page.
John?
Is it which one?
That's the clear. So you're on this one?
Yeah. Okay. The Mathcouts International Airport had 738,114 departures in 2001. If these were distributed uniformly throughout each 24-hour period, what is the mean number of seconds between each departure time? Express your answer to the nearest whole number. So first we know that in 2001, it is not a leap year, so there's 365 days. And we have to get this down to seconds, so we multiply this by 24, because there's 24 hours in a day, to get 8,760 hours. Then we multiply this by 60, because there's 60 minutes in each hour, to get 500,025, 600 minutes. And then we multiply by 60 again to get 31,536,000 seconds, because there's 60 seconds per minute. Okay, so after that, we know that it's going to be a ratio problem, so we need to make a ratio of 31,536,000 to 738, 114. So we have to get the side that has the 738,114 down to 1. So we divide both sides by 738,114 to get that one departure will happen every 42 seconds, 42.725 seconds. And since it says to round to the nearest whole number, we know that 7.7 will round to the nearest whole number, so we get 43 seconds. Great.